Step E Lesson Book, pages 20 to 21, Lone Star Waltz. This video is for the connections from one section to the next or the end of one line to the next. So let's take a look at the first 4 bars and how it connects to the next 4 bars. So the very last bar of the first line, both hands have C, left hand E, left hand G. You don't go anywhere. You stay right there for the next bar. Let's take a look at that connection. 1, 2, 3, apple pie. So you got to make sure that your hands are spread. That hand is from C to E. The gap of the fingers to be ready for the quavers in the second line. So the thumb is on C, left hand 5 on C. Ready? Here we go. That's a pretty simple connection. Now we're going to look at the last bar on that page, where the left hand has C, right hand has C. Third. To get to the top of the next page, your right hand has to pick up and leap to get to the 6th. So let's make that connection. The left hand doesn't go anywhere. It stays right there. It's going to play the harmonic second, F and G. So we have the last bar of the first page going to the first bar of the second page. Ready? Here we go. 2 counts leap. Harmonic second. Let's do that again. The last bar of the first page going to the top of the second page. Ready? Here we go. One more time. Last bar. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, leap. Now we're going to look at the last bar of that top line, where your right hand is a harmonic 6th, and your left hand has the third. Your right hand has to jump up a little bit to do a little leap from the E6th to go up to the G6th. So let's do the last bar at the top of the page. Ready? Here we go. 6th, 3rd, 3rd, leap, 6th, stepping down. Let's try that one more time. The last bar at the top of the page going into the second line. Ready? Here we go. Now we need to make the leap from the last bar of the second line, that 6th and 3rd in the left, to the left hand becoming the 6th. So you look at that E that the 3rd finger is playing, and that is where the pinky is going to land. So you have the 3rd, leap, 6th, and then stepping down. Let's practice that a lot, just the left hand. 3rd, leap, 6th. One more time. 3rd, leap, 6th. Now let's get the right hand involved, just playing that much. Right hand 6th, left hand 3rd, leap, 6th. So the right hand comes off. That has its own connection because you were up here for that right hand 6th. That's where it last played. But now you've got to get 4 and 3 here. So it's sort of kind of like a little squeeze to get that 3 and 4 on F and G. So let's see how the connection works for both hands. A little bit slower. I count and we play. Same thing. End of the second line. Last bar where the right hand has the dotted minim on the 6th, EC 6th. Left hand has 3rd, and does its leap into the 3rd line. So I count and we play. Ready? Here we go. 6th, 3rd, leap left, stepping left. Meanwhile, right hand moves. 2nd, those same 3 bars. Right hand 6th, left hand third at the end of the second line. Ready? Here we go. Sixth, third, third, leap, sixth. Move the right, second, second. We're going to do that one more time. Sixth in the left, third in the sixth in the right, third in the left. Ready? Here we go. Right, left, left, leap. Get ready to move the right, second, second. Okay? The left hand keeps doing its stepping thing with six. Nowhere to go here. It's the same note to connect. Hold that, second, second, six stepping up. Now we've got a tough connection. Visually, we're going from the bottom of the second page to the very first bar. That's a big leap for your eyes to make. But what do your fingers actually execute on the keys? Well, if you're here in the left hand with that sixth, what does it connect to back to the beginning? A fifth. Now I know the music says second time both hands up an octave. We're going to ignore that for right now. Yeah? So that sixth is there. And then moving it to the fifth. Let's just practice that. The sixth to the fifth. So let's do the last two bars of the second page. So you have the sixth stepping up, sixth stepping up, hold, 2, 3, leap, fifth. Notice when you leap, your hand has to squeeze back together to a regular 5-finger position. You had a little stretch for the sixth, and then a normal, retract it for the normal 5-finger position. And then the next bar, your pinky shoots out for that B to make the sixth B. Okay? So let's do those six, stepping up the crotchets in the last two bars of the second page and make the da capo. So we have the sixth, stepping up, hold that sixth, get ready to leap, and return to the normal hand position. One more time. Sixth, stepping up, sixth hold, and leap down for the normal fifth. Okay? What does the right hand do? You had 3 and 4 on the F and the G, and then 2 and 4 on the E, G. Well, guess what? It doesn't go anywhere. All you got to do is reach that thumb for the C, which is the normal hand position from the very beginning. This is why we use fingers 3 and 4 on the seconds and 2 and 4 on the thirds, because it gets our hand ready for the hand position that returns, okay, in the very beginning to make that da capo. So we're going to do both hands the last two bars of the second page and do the da capo as written, not an octave above. We're not going to move hands out octave above, not in this video. So let's take a look at how we do the sixth, stepping up, hold 2 and 4 right, leap the left, thumb on the C. Just that much. 3 bars. The last 2 bars of the second page, the first bar of the first page. Ready? Here we go. Pie, pie, pie. Hold, touch, touch, leap, both. We got to be ready for those quavers. So we think 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and apple pie, pie. That way those quavers don't come as a surprise when we get back to the beginning. So watch it again. And pie and pie and pie and pie and pie and apple pie, pie. Try it with me one more time. Ready, here we go. Pie and pie and pie and pie, pie and pie and apple pie, pie. Good. This time we're going to keep going until the fine, the double bar line at the bottom of the page. So we'll put it all together, connecting the last 2 bars of the second page, take the da capo until you go to the fine. Ready? Here we go. Pie and pie and pie and hold and pie and apple pie, pie, apple pie, pie, apple pie, 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 apple pie, pie, apple pie, pie, apple pie, pie. 1, 2, 3, and off. Well done with that.